Hi friends, welcome to my channel Crochet Best. Today I will show you beautiful night lamps are stylish. This beautiful lamp will help you to decor your kids' room. This video of me will help creation work people. Those lamp with different designs will look great on kids, and your kids will be very happy. My friends, can you like these lamps and make a lamp like this and set the kids room? Kids will like it very much and your kids will be very happy. This lamp is very beautiful and colorful, stylish, and different designs, different shapes like moon, square, twice shapes, and stylish. I hope you like this video and share, subscribe my channel. My friends, you create for this lamp. This lamp is create for your friends, kids, create for your grandchildren's, and create for your niece. I hope you like this video. You get many ideas for this video. You will benefit a lot by watching this video to me. Crochet has made the best video for those who work. I hope you like my videos. Please support me, like my video, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you, my friend.